In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed link in Notion. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to bring interactive content right into your Notion page so you can view and use it without leaving your workspace. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the content to appear and place your cursor exactly where the embed should go. In Notion, almost everything starts with the /. Type a single slash, then begin typing the word embed. You'll see the command menu filter in real time. This is a great shortcut because it avoids scrolling through the entire list of blocks and takes you straight to what you need. When you see the embed option appear in the menu, click it. This tells Notion you want to insert an embed block at your cursor. You'll get a simple prompt with a field where you can paste a link. Think of this field as your bridge between Notion and the content you want to display, whether that's a video, a map, a design file, or a document. Next, paste the link into the field. Use the full URL, including HTTPS. Many popular services work well here, such as YouTube, Vimeo, Figma, Google Docs, and more. If you're embedding from a tool that requires sign-in, keep in mind that Notion can only show what your account has permission to view. If the link is private or restricted, the embed may not load for you or for your collaborators. Now, click the Embed Link button. Notion will fetch a preview, and when supported, display an interactive embed right on the page. If a site doesn't allow embedding, Notion may fall back to a bookmark-style preview. That's normal and still useful as a quick way to link out with a clean card. A few helpful tips as you work. If the embed doesn't show, double-check that the link is correct and publicly viewable, especially for cloud files. Some services require specific sharing settings for embeds to render. Also, organizing your page before you embed can save time. Choose the section or heading where the content belongs so your layout stays tidy as you add more resources. Notion Vista also gives you flexibility after the fact, so you can keep building without worrying about perfection on the first pass. And that's it. Type / and embed, select embed, paste your link, and click embed link. With this simple flow, you can centralize videos, documents, prototypes, and more, all inside Notion, so your team spends less time switching tabs and more time getting work done.